talking up soft on people. Morning, Missy. This young man been doing any traveling since I was here last? All over Castle Bridge lost a big herd a few days ago. Why, Missy, Cat got your tongue?
Why ask her? You know I've been traveling. You look in the corral to see how my horse shaped up.
I did just that. And he sure covered a lot of country. He's a right weary animal. I just wanted to see would the young lady lie for you.
I was going to.
You been over Castle Verde way?
I've been to Rimrock, and I got witnesses to prove it.
Witnesses? For instance?
Randy McCall, Christine Taylor.
That's what I call witnesses. Who else? Lila Neal, I suppose. She'd make a good alibi witness for you. Randy, Christine, and Lila. There's three to draw to. So Lila saw you there too, huh?
Yes.
Come here, Jughead. You $1.50 bus jumper. Ooh. Well, this is Mr. Ginsburg. But I'm patient. That's what hangs all you fellas at the end. I'm patient.